How to enable Play Store on Android phone. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the settings application on your device over here. Then scroll down and tap on apps. Next tap on manage apps. Now scroll down, or you can directly search for the search over here for the Google Play Store application. So here you can see the list of Google apps. So just search for Google Play Store over here. You can see over here. So tap on it. And here you can see the option of enable at the bottom of the screen among different other options of uninstall updates, clear data, and enable. So tap on enable. And there you go. The Google Play Store has been enabled on Android phone. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.